Right now, the banking sentiment shows a neutral sentiment score of 0, but what stands out is the momentum increase of plus 0.28. This is unusual, especially considering a historically stable sentiment in this sector. Typically, sentiment and momentum move in tandem, but here you have a divergence that suggests a shift in market dynamics. Our API returns detailed insights on sentiment, momentum, and semantic clusters around banking topics, allowing you to dig deeper into the underlying narratives shaping this sector. You could leverage this data to trigger alerts for when sentiment diverges from momentum, helping you identify potential investment opportunities or risks before they become apparent. Explore this further at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's dive into the nuances of banking sentiment together.